This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by Audible, a leading provider of spoken audio information and entertainment. Listen to audiobooks whenever and wherever you want. To get a free audiobook, visit audiblepodcast.com/MacVoices. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is MacVoices at AltWWDC in San Francisco. I'm here with Victor of DigiDNA. He's going to tell us about DiskAid and FileApp.
Right.
Got it right? Okay, good, good.
Yes.
Good to have you, Victor.
Thank you. Thank you.
So tell me about these apps and where they fit in the iPhone and Mac hierarchy.
Actually, DiskAid is a desktop application. It's an iPhone file transfer application that reads and writes to the iOS file system. I.e. that originally that was designed to copy the music, because as everybody knows, the iTunes sync is not a sync in regards to music. It's whether you copy the music from the computer to the device, or you're toasted. So, and from this, it moved, we added a lot of features, and it's now still carrying this, and as well as the ability to copy data such as text messages and copy them and safely store them on your computer. And also, and probably most importantly these days with the new changes with iOS 7, it's allowing to copy files and folders and place them on a device. And this is where FileApp comes in play. And FileApp is a file browser basically, and a player and a reader that allows users to enjoy, read, listen, and watch their data, their files. Would that be music, PDF documents, Office documents, or even videos? And basically, what it does is just it replicates the idea of the Finder on iOS devices. So
let's dig into this just a little bit. Do I have to be physically tethered to my Mac to access my iPhone, or can I be on the same network, or how does that part work?
Yes. You need to initiate once a connection so that both the device and the computer know each other. And once this is done, no DiskAid, and we're the only one actually that have a stable released commercial product that does that, and it works through the Wi-Fi network also. And it's even capable of managing multiple device and multiple transfer at the same time. And better than that, it can wake up a device where if, for example, you walk in a room and you have your iPad, you don't need to tuck your iPad out of your bag to transfer data to or from it.
Now, when I'm accessing my iPhone or my iPad through these apps, and you say you've got a file system for my iOS, or I can copy things over, where am I copying them to? And I mean by that, at what point do I say, okay, I want this document to be assigned to this app?
Well, you naturally you're guided, to copy the data directly to FileApp, because it's really prominent in the user interface. But you have a choice, because DiskAid sees absolutely every app. So that's your call. You can drop the data in whichever app you'd like.
Okay, so I can take a video file and assign it to the video app in iTunes, or on the iPad?
Yeah, no, actually, no, that's a limitation. We do not copy toward the native the native apps, but third party. But that's for now.
Got it. Okay.
That's for now.
Okay.
There's going to be surprises.
Okay. I think you just gave one away.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So let me see if I got this right. So I can take a given document,
even more a folder,
or even a folder,
yeah,
and assign it to a third-party app,
yes,
as its native thing. So none of this syncing across using iTunes and having to go to the bottom of the window and figure out where to put it.
Yeah, and there's no third party whatsoever that's involved. There's no cloud, there's no iTunes, there's no sync, there's nothing. You just drag and drop from a window to the DiskAid window to the location that you select.
Do you see any changes or any issues with iOS 7? What we've seen so far from the keynote?
No, this was hence my comment earlier. I think there was there's lots of discussions on the new design in iOS 7, but for us there's another feature that we noticed is the AirDrop, and there's a very interesting API that's works in connection with that, and that will, like it was shown in the keynote. You could distribute pictures, like share pictures locally. And depending on how we will be able to implement and work out with this API, we're pretty much looking forward to be able to share, a folder full of documents with, like for example, between coworkers locally in a room or something like that. So yeah, it's pretty exciting.
One last question, because I'm kind of intrigued by this and I want to make sure I get it right. So I have my iPad here and my Mac here, and once I've made the connection on my local Wi-Fi network, I can go from one to the other.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Am I required to copy things to and from my iDevice, or can I just simply open them from the iDevice?
No, you can do even better than that. You need to have an app that can read or edit or open the document. But you can even edit it in its native application and then save it right from there to the device.
Okay.
And that works with Word or Excel or even Xcode if you like.
That's very nice. So I can actually edit on my Mac. I can edit files that are on my iDevice without having to sync back and forth. I just edit them right there, save them, and then
if you open them through DiskAid, they will open in their native application. Once you're gonna save, DiskAid will tell you, are you okay? Do you want to save that locally on your device? And once you said yes.
That's very nice. Yeah. That's very nice. What do these apps cost?
FileApp has a free version, like the file browser, and FileApp has also a pro version that has encryption, that has other cool features, such as a PDF editor where you can make annotations and stuff like that. Has also it features a photo editor. So and this version currently retails for $5, and DiskAid is free to download. The features we were talking about are completely free, and we require a license is required and sells for $30, and that allows the copy of the music and the text messages, the voicemails, the contacts, and all other specific data to the iPhone.
That's great. The website where folks can learn more about both of these programs.
It's digidna.net, digidna.net.
Great, and I'll have that in the lower third so they know exactly where to go. But that's great. Victor, thank you so much for talking to us. Very, very cool apps.
Thank you very much.
Folks, we'll have more from AltWWDC in San Francisco. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, app.net, Google+, Facebook, and for more Apple, Mac, and tech-related shows, including MacVoices, Mac Notables, the Mac Jury, and the MacVoices Briefing. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com.